Hi everyone, my name is Julie and I'm going to discuss a really useful web application called Trello. Just to preface, you can download this on your phone and access it there as well. My team used Trello during 315 and we found it to be an invaluable tool for tracking deadlines, assignment progress, and responsibilities, such as who had completed what for each assignment. Only one team member is going to need to create a board. Don't worry about the team section over here. I used it in the last section. What I found was it really isn't necessary in order to get the work done that you need. So the one person that you elect to create a board can do that. This is how you go about that. 315 project. It's okay that it says no team and that it's private. That's all going to change. So you'll invite your team members to the board by creating a link here. Just go ahead and post that into Slack. And you'll want to create 5 boards. This is one proven method for working really effectively, is having an assignment backlog. This is where you can put every assignment that you know is going to come up. That way you don't lose track of anything or lose sight of what you're going to need to complete in the near future. Next is the to-dos. I like to have whatever is due during this module or maybe the next 2 modules. Doing is anything that's in progress, and then you can have completed for review. Everyone's going to want to review each assignment or each part of the assignment so that you can make sure that you get as many points as possible. And then you'll have closed and submitted. All right, so let's go ahead and add first the team exercise, because that's the first thing you're going to have to submit as a team. That was a fun project, by the way. Before I add the due date here, I'm going to show you something called power-ups in Trello. So Trello has a myriad of power-ups that you can apply to it. We use the Dropbox, but I think the Slack app upgrade is probably a better one. So here, you can view the power-up, edit the power-up settings. Each power-up allows basically Trello to interact with another application. You get one free upgrade with the free version of Trello. If you want to upgrade Trello, you can add more versatility to it. It's not necessary. So you can add Slack alerts. Just choose SER315 and then choose the channel you've got. So I'm going to use Trello test just so I'm not blaring information to everybody. Anyway, and then go through this list. Anything you want to announce changes, any changes that happen on this board that you want to announce on Slack, go ahead and keep. Anything else, remove. I'm not going to do a whole lot of that now, just because I don't think it's, I think that's something you should decide as a team. The ones that I'm removing now, I think, are probably good items to remove. And so let's go back to the team exercise. So you can create a due date. So the team exercise is due on the 1st at 11:59 p.m. And you can set a reminder 2 days before, which I think is really useful. That way everybody gets alerted for that. And you could create a checklist. So let's talk about the prereqs. You've got some reading prerequisites for that assignment. You also have to view the lectures. So you can do like method 635. There's the engineering design methods paper and then the lectures. You can add that in and then just put like the last names of or the names of the people that are working on it. And what you'll see is it updates in Slack. So you can see that I've added a new item to the checklist prereqs, and so that everybody's alerted when things change on Trello. Okay, so let's say everybody's completed the prereqs. We move this to to-dos. Then after, when you start working on it, you put it to doing, completed for review. Since you're going to work on that together, you're going to kind of review it together, and then closed and submitted. And as you'll see, all of that updates here on Slack, which